Each year, PTEN celebrates new and innovative products for shops and technicians with its innovation awards. The Ingersoll Rand 135 Max heavy duty air hammer is one of this year's highest scoring winners. The tool allows users to perform repairs for consumer vehicles as well as larger machinery, trucks, and buses. Here to tell us more about the 135 Max is Tyler Laubach, product manager at Ingersoll Rand. Thank you so much for joining me today, Tyler.
Hey, good morning.
So, to start off with, what makes this product innovative?
So the 135 Max air hammer was designed to be Ingersoll Rand's flagship 401 shank air hammer, and we've delivered a premium product that's really focused on productivity for our automotive and light industrial user base. The 135 delivers 15% more power at 2,600 BPM to get the toughest jobs finished faster, even more so than our competitive models. The 135 also has a high-quality featherable trigger that gives the user unparalleled low power control to perform delicate work such as resetting pins and different components without adjusting anything on the tool or anything on your air supply. And we've wrapped all that power and productivity in just a smaller and lighter package that really packs a punch.
So, what was the inspiration behind creating this product?
So Ingersoll Rand's long been synonymous with high quality, innovative pneumatic impact wrenches, and we've leveraged that 100 years of tool design experience and applied it to our ever expanding cordless and air tool portfolio. One of the main features on the 135 Max is that high quality featherable trigger that I mentioned, which really gives the user all that control at their fingertips as opposed to some other means on the tool. So historically, air hammers were like a light switch. They were on and off. So as soon as you start to pull that trigger, you got nearly instantaneous full power. So with this high quality trigger, you essentially have a more gradual response in the amount of power. So you're able to feather that power in more gently without compromising on your top end power.
And how will this product improve the lives of technicians and shop owners who buy it?
So that featherable trigger control is a night and day difference for users who are just used to their traditional everyday run-of-the-mill air hammer. Especially with any type of delicate reinstallation jobs like resetting a pin or bearing, they're able to essentially tap that trigger or that hammer mechanism in to set that part without damaging or marring that front surface. So then fully once that component's set or that chisel set into their workpiece, then they're able to go full bore by completely squeezing that trigger again without any adjustments on the tool. And that power comes in at a much smaller tip to tail length, overall length, and a much lighter frame. So it's going to give you better accessibility in tight spaces, and it's a premium product. Without that premium price point sticker price. And Ingersoll Rand stands by that quality with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty on the 135 Max.
So, what's the feedback from technicians who've purchased the 135 Max been like so far?
So the 135 has been a really big hit with our customer base. They find the tool is just really more versatile out of the box. It's got that high-end raw power to go out and bust rivets off ball joints or separate bearings and bushings. It also has a vibration dampening feature at the rear of the tool, which helps dampen and isolate that vibration that the user feels while it's under load. And we've also added a ergonomic, slip-resistant, and anti-shock grip, just further reducing the amount of vibration that the user feels because it does have a lot of power at the high end.
Excellent. Is there anything else about the 135 Max that you think our readers should know about?
Yeah, the 135 Max also comes as a kit, the 135 Max K, which includes a nice tool case that comes with it and a 5-piece chisel set. So if you want to be able to use the tool right out of the box, you can purchase that product separately. Ingersoll Rand is continuously improving on our products in pneumatic in our cordless space. And our mission as a company is really just trying to make work easier for our customers by delivering them high quality and purpose-built tools for their application. So the 135 is just one example of a recent product launch that's really improving the lives of our customer base and technicians every day. Certainly stay in contact with us for the most recent product launches by following us on social media, Ingersoll Rand Power Tools and Lifting, or visiting irtools.com to stay up to date with all new product releases.
Excellent. Well, I really appreciate you talking with me about the 135 Max, and I'm very glad to have it as one of our winners.
All right,
Thanks again, Tyler.
thank you very much.